Today we're working on my 1979 K20 and we're going to be replacing the back window. I broke this window, I don't know, 20 years ago and put this plastic in, and now it's all yellow. And so finally I bit the bullet and I got a piece of glass and we're going to put it in. I want to show you a clip right now of how it got broken. My father was up on the roof. He was helping to get a satellite dish off the roof, and he's telling me, stop, 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 stop. Oh, I didn't stop, and I pulled it down and smack right into the window. And if you look closely, you can see it change color where it hit the glass. So take a look at this clip right now.
I think you broke the window next door.
Oh, beautiful.
I told you, I hauled it, and you didn't pay any attention to it. You kept ramming it. It was already in. I stopped.
Let's try to get this plastic piece out of here. Jeez, I can do this without any tools. Okay. Now let's take this out of the rubber here. Glass there. is all in. Now we're going to put our twine in the groove here. Stick it right in that groove there. Stick it in there if it wants to or not. There we go. Some nice nylon cord so it's not going to break on us. Come on, get in there. Don't give me a hard time. Well, you know what we're going to have to do? We're going to have to cut that. Hate to do it, but what are you going to do? We're going to put some silicone spray in the track to help us slide that rubber in place. I got the silicone spray in the rubber. I'm going to go halfway. I think I'm going to go halfway up and go on the other side. I'm using this pull rod right here and it's working good. Okay, hold some down pressure on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to go over on the other side and work that up. We'll spray some silicone in there.
Make it easier.
Okay, do the same thing as the other side. Hold some down pressure on there.
an extra ½ inch of pushing power. My battering ram's wider.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice, nice and tight.
All right. Let's go back on the other side.
Yeah, that was easy for me.
Let's get this corner here.
Tighten up now. Downward pressure.
All right. Just hold some pressure right where the seal is, and I'm going to work the string in.
On the steel or on the rubber?
Yeah, you're just going to push right here,
Okay, good.
right here in the rubber, right
You
here,
got it.
maybe with the flat of your hand,
Yeah,
and I'll work
so I get a better chance of grabbing.
and I'll work the seal. All right, here we go.
Where are you gonna go? Keep going?
Yeah.
Tape out of the way.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go over on the other corner and work that to the middle.
Okay.
Can you squirt a little bit of the silicone in there? I think you got a little gap there. You can go right to the corner. No. Yep. Start from the other side and work to this side, because I want this. Yeah, you don't have to go crazy. Just give it a little shot.
Try to get the
With
track.
E.
Done.
You got right to the corner now? Right here?
Did we get all the way up now?
Now give it another shot. Right here, all the way here, right there. Yeah, right to the corner.
Oh, I figured that was already in.
No, not quite. Okay, you got it.
Now I got it.
Okay, so
Slippery.
now push on the rubber and
Down with it again.
I'm going to work the string in there. Oh, pardon me. Yeah, just pour a little pressure on it.
Moving right along.
All right, here we go. I'm way over here now. Ken?
I'm right in the middle.
No, I'm over here. Right here.
Okay.
Just put some pressure on.
Now you got it.
Put some pressure on that.
Pulled in nice.
boy. They made these Chevy trucks really good. This is the original gasket. All right, we got the glass all in. I haven't seen a window in my truck for ages. This is fabulous. Yep, the old 79 K20, still going. Thing's built like a tank. All right, glass is all in. I'm a happy camper. Okay guys, thanks for watching.